Have you ever wondered what powers your favorite AI tools? Like when you ask a chatbot to write a poem or create an image of a cat riding a skateboard on the moon, what's happening behind the scenes? Well, you're tapping into something massive, powerful, and incredibly hungry for electricity: a data center. Today, we're diving deep into the hidden world of data centers and uncovering a growing concern: the energy crisis of artificial intelligence. It's a story of incredible innovation, but also one with a surprising environmental footprint. First off, let's get a clear picture of what a data center is. Imagine a gigantic warehouse, but instead of boxes, it's filled with row after row of powerful computers called servers. These servers store, process, and distribute the vast amounts of data that fuel our digital world. Every search you make, every video you stream, every post you like it, all goes through a data center somewhere. Now, when we talk about AI, we're talking about a whole new level of demand. Training a large language model, the kind of AI that powers advanced chatbots, is like sending a computer to a super intense, years-long university program. It requires an astronomical amount of computation. These servers have to work around the clock, solving complex problems, and that generates a tremendous amount of heat. And that's the first big energy hog: cooling. If these servers get too hot, they'll fry it. So, data centers need massive air conditioning systems, liquid cooling technologies, and sophisticated ventilation to keep everything from overheating. In many data centers, cooling can account for almost half of the total electricity consumption. It's like trying to air condition a building filled with thousands of ovens running at full blast. So, how much energy are we actually talking about? The numbers are staggering. Some estimates suggest that the entire AI industry could soon consume as much electricity as a small country. Think about that for a second. The combined power usage of all these AI models could rival the energy needs of nations like the Netherlands or Argentina. A study from the University of Cambridge found that training just one popular AI model can emit more carbon than 5 cars in their entire lifetimes. And that's just for training. The real energy cost comes when millions of us are using these AI tools every single day. This is called inference, the process of the AI using its training to answer your questions or generate that cat picture. The inference phase is ongoing, and its cumulative energy consumption is massive. This explosive growth in energy demand is putting a huge strain on power grids. In some regions, utility companies are struggling to keep up. There have been reports of major tech companies having to delay or scale back new data center projects simply because there isn't enough electricity available to power them. It's a classic bottleneck situation. Our ambition for bigger and better AI is outstripping our ability to power it sustainably. So, what's the solution? Are we doomed to choose between technological progress and a stable climate? Not necessarily. The good news is that the brightest minds in the tech industry are well aware of this problem and are working on some pretty ingenious solutions. One of the biggest pushes is towards renewable energy. Major tech giants are investing billions in wind and solar farms to power their data centers. The goal is to run them on 100% carbon-free energy 24/7. This is a huge step, but it's also a challenge, because the sun doesn't always shine and the wind doesn't always blow. So they are also investing in massive battery storage solutions to ensure a consistent power supply. Another exciting area of innovation is in the hardware itself. Companies are designing new, more energy-efficient chips specifically for AI tasks. These chips can perform the same calculations using a fraction of the power. Think of it like swapping out an old, inefficient light bulb for a new LED. It's the same amount of light, but for much less energy. We're also seeing incredible creativity in data center design. Some companies are building data centers underwater, using the natural coolness of the ocean to reduce cooling costs. Others are building them in Arctic regions for the same reason. There's even a concept called heat reuse, where the waste heat generated by the servers is captured and used to heat nearby homes and businesses. Imagine your next internet search helping to warm a local school or swimming pool. That's turning a problem into a resource. And finally, there's the software side of things. AI researchers are developing new ways to train and run models more efficiently. This field is called algorithmic efficiency. It's about writing smarter code, not just throwing more computing power at a problem. By optimizing the algorithms, they can achieve the same results with less computation, which directly translates to less energy use. This includes techniques like model pruning, where they trim down oversized models to their essential components, making them leaner and faster. So, the future of AI isn't just about making it smarter, it's about making it greener. It's a race between the growing demand for AI and our ability to innovate in energy efficiency and renewable power. As a user, you might feel a bit removed from all this, but our collective choices do matter. Being aware of the energy cost behind the magic can help us appreciate the technology more and support the companies that are genuinely committed to sustainability. The AI revolution is here, and it's changing our world in incredible ways. But like any revolution, it comes with challenges. The energy crisis of AI is a big one, but it's not insurmountable. With a combination of renewable energy, hardware innovation, smart design, and efficient algorithms, we can build a future where AI is not only powerful and intelligent, but also sustainable. It's a complex puzzle, but one that we absolutely have to solve. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this topic as fascinating as I do, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technology that's shaping our future. What are your thoughts on AI's energy consumption? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one.